Do you still think that HubSpot is just an inbound marketing tool? Well, nowadays, it's a complete growth platform, combining a free CRM with marketing, sales, service, content, data, and even e-commerce. Watch how it got here and whether it's the right fit for your company in this video. HubSpot was born to support inbound marketing strategies, but now it has taken a major leap forward. It no longer limits itself to the classic funnel of attract, convert, and retain, because that model falls short in a far more complex digital world. Now HubSpot proposes a new methodology called the loop, which works as a continuous cycle. First, you express your value proposition, then you tailor each customer's experience, next you amplify your reach, and finally you evolve based on what you've learned. Thanks to this philosophy, HubSpot better matches how customers interact today and offers a more realistic path to growth. If you'd like to learn more about this methodology, you can click here to watch a video where we break it down in detail. We've also left the link in the description. One reason HubSpot remains so popular is its free CRM, the entry point for many companies. It lets you store up to 1 million contacts and have unlimited users at no cost. But now it's more than a database. It now automatically logs all interactions, organizes information in advanced dashboards, offers metrics like customer lifetime value, and generates revenue attribution reports. Pricing has also changed. HubSpot now uses seat-based licenses, which means you pay for users with full access, called core seats, while users who only view information can do so for free with view-only seats. Another major evolution is Content Hub, which replaces the old CMS Hub. This module goes beyond managing websites and blogs. It lets you create all kinds of digital content in one place, leveraging AI to generate copy, translate it automatically, repurpose it across formats, and optimize it with intelligent SEO recommendations. In this way, Content Hub becomes the key component for any company that wants to produce and scale digital content efficiently. When it comes to digital marketing, Marketing Hub remains one of the most complete solutions on the market. It includes adaptive campaigns that change in real time based on user behavior, automated journeys designed with AI assistance, and much more precise attribution to understand which actions drive results. Marketing Hub also integrates with platforms like Shopify and a broad ecosystem of apps that extend its capabilities. Sales Hub has grown significantly as well. It still offers automated follow-up emails, shared templates, and meeting scheduling, but now adds virtual assistants called Breeze AI agents. These AI agents recommend next steps, write personalized messages, and handle repetitive tasks, freeing sales teams to focus on selling instead of manual processes. Service Hub focuses on improving the customer experience and arrives stronger than ever. It enables you to manage support tickets, satisfaction surveys, knowledge bases, and live chat. Thanks to AI, it can now prioritize inquiries, suggest responses automatically, and resolve issues faster. What's particularly interesting is that these intelligent agents are no longer limited to technical support. They now collaborate with marketing and sales to deliver a far more unified customer experience. In recent years, HubSpot has also launched two major additions. Data Hub is the center where all customer data is unified and cleaned, ensuring reliable information so AI can perform at its best. And Commerce Hub is designed for companies that need to manage quotes, payments, and subscriptions integrated with the rest of the modules. With these additions, HubSpot closes the loop and becomes a tool that covers every stage of the business. But HubSpot's big bet is artificial intelligence. Today, it offers more than 200 AI-powered features to automate processes, analyze data, create content, and assist in sales and service. HubSpot refers to hybrid agents because they work hand in hand with human teams to multiply productivity. Access to these capabilities is managed through HubSpot credits, which are consumed each time advanced AI tools are used and can be topped up based on each company's needs. At this point, a common question is, how much does HubSpot cost? Well, prices have changed a lot compared to a few years ago. There's no longer a single fixed cost. Instead, there's a flexible system based on seats, contact volume, and AI credit consumption. HubSpot's modules, Marketing Hub, Sales Hub, Service Hub, Content Hub, Data Hub, and Commerce Hub are available in starter, professional, and enterprise editions, with pricing that varies according to the combination you choose. There are also bundles that group several hubs together at a discount. In conclusion, this year HubSpot has moved beyond just being an inbound marketing tool to becoming a comprehensive business growth platform. It brings together marketing, sales, customer service, content, data, and commerce, all powered by AI. For companies looking to grow and build strong customer relationships, HubSpot offers a complete, connected, and constantly evolving ecosystem. If you want to see how HubSpot works in practice, we invite you to watch our tutorial. And if you want to keep learning about digital marketing, sales, and innovation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.